Hi Drizzle Cuties, Winnie here. Today we'll draw a slice of chocolate cake. So let's get started. To draw this super yummy cake, let's first start by drawing this angle line going up. So we're just kind of creating this triangular shape. So I'm going to start right about here. And let's go up. Say about that much. And then I'm going to, let's see here. About right here, we're going to create the bottom line. And so I'm going to come right about here. And kind of curve it a little bit. And I'm not going to continue this line. I'm just going to give it a little break. And keep going to about right here. And the reason I'm giving it a break is because I don't want that line to be too solid, because there's the, what do you call that? The chocolate kind of flowing over the cake. And then I'm going to connect it right about here with this angle line. There, so something like this, that you've created this triangular shape. And then now that we have that, let's bring this down right here. We're going to drizzle down. So let's go down straight as we come down. And let's go across, right? So let's, you know what, before we do that, I'm sorry, let's come to the top right here. I think this will be a little bit easier. So we're going to go up right here, and then we're going to go according to this angle. We're just going to draw a bunch of these like bumps going across for the top of the cake, just to give our cake some edge. So we're just going to go all the way. So we're just kind of following this angle and then come down. So hopefully that's starting to look like it, right? Like a piece of pie. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and say about right here, we're going to draw where everything drizzles down over the cake. So I'm just going to go across. Sometimes you can come lower, go back up, and we're going to end back right about here. So just keep going. Be nice and wide here, but notice as I go, I'm just still leaving this edge. And maybe a little bit lower, go up, and almost there. So then maybe about here, we're just going to go ahead and connect it and finish it off. Then right here, come in a little bit, and we're going to start to draw the cake part. So go straight down. Same thing here. So right about here where this comes out. And I'm not going to make it too straight. I'm just going to give it this soft line so that my cake is much cuter, not so hard. So I got those two lines and about, let's see, about right here. Let's go ahead, round it off, and then we're going to bring it up. So we're just kind of following that curve. That's our goal here. So let's go up. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. So I just want to make sure. Look up at my camera, make sure my angle's about right. Okay, there. Done. The hardest part is done, right? I think the hardest part is this triangle right here. But hopefully I was able to help you. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and put in some layers. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to put in one layer, and then here at the bottom. So I want the center to be a little bit thicker so I can put in some Draw So Cute eyes. And so I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve following this curve once again, going all the way across. And I'm just going to go all the way across to make it simpler, but if you wanted, you could also give your cake an edge right here on the side too. This is just meant to inspire you to draw a yummy slice of chocolate cake. So you can definitely change it up as you like. There. Okay, got my 3 layers in. And now that we have that, let's come back here and let's bring it to life. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and put in one big Draw So Cute eye. And then I'm going to come across, so say about right here. And draw the other eye, so all at this angle. And so let's come back in here and make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. And so now that I have that, it's a little bit lower. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then, of course, in between, let's give this cake a sweet smile with a tongue sticking up, because it's very yummy. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we need to decorate our cake, right? So I'm just going to simplify it and just say maybe put like another drizzle of chocolate. So I'm just going to come about right here, and I'm just going to zigzag my way across this cake. And then thicken it up. So it could be like more chocolate, or it could be like, I don't know, strawberry or raspberry sauce. It's all up to you when you color it. And of course, you can also put in like maybe a bunch of sprinkles. So if you want to do that, just put them in different directions. Or if you like, you can put a big cherry on top of this cake. There. And last but not least, I need to, let's put a heart, right? So we need to put a heart right here on this layer to make this my Draw So Cute slice of chocolate cake. I really hope you loved this out and that it brought a smile to your day, and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.